Hello everyone, it's the blizzard of 2011, and I'm freezing.
And I'm not.
You may be wondering why I have paint on my eyes. Well, that's for a video coming up in the future. It's for a contest. So, just ignore my eyeballs.
And I have no glasses on right now because they get all wet and foggy, so
yeah,
I took them off.
We're going to do some winter fun, and you're going to check it out with us. Show them what it looks like right now. This is our backyard. This is everything. Now look around us. Look, there's me.
Hi, me.
Hi. There's our backyard.
There's the dogs. Hi, dog. Oh, that's one dog. All along there.
Look
and as you can see, it is still snowing.
Yep, it's
snowing. And we actually wiped off his car just a couple hours ago.
Yep, but it's filled up again. So
yes.
Probably 24 inches more of snow.
Look at this.
I'm going to jump in the pool.
Okay, ready, set, go!
No! Oh, I think I broke something. Go for it!
You ready?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yeah! This is like stupidity and snow. Woo! Kids, don't try this at home. Our children who will be watching us.
Right.
Don't do this.
Ready? Set. How deep is it right there? I don't even know.
I don't know. You're probably going to die.
Okay, ready?
Go
set,
for it!
Go!
Ooh, beautiful.
I think where I was going to actually hold my nose.
Nice.
But then I was like, oh wait, this isn't a pool. So.
Epic fight battle. You ready?
Yes.
She's gonna die.
You're gonna die. Ah!
Oh. Woo! Come. Oh, oh boy. Oh gosh. Oh. 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 Okay.
You got snow in your eyes.
I know. Oh. Okay. Are you okay? I think I killed her.
That was awesome.
1, 2, 3. Kimberly won.
He let me.
She rocks. You gotta love snow blizzards. We went nowhere today, basically. We stayed home, had some fun, played in the snow. I don't even know what's going on tomorrow. I don't know if school's still going or she's going to work, but it's bad. It's supposed to get more snow coming our way. Guys, here's your challenge. Make a video response playing in the snow or showing us how much snow you got in your area. Are you licking snow somewhere?
I can't help it. I like licking snow.
And for the one last craziness, I'm going to put this on my face. Here we go.
I'm gonna do.
See you all tomorrow.
All right,
later. Oh, brain freeze.